The secrets of the rectangle. Pull this page out. We're going to do this one together. So we've been talking a lot about angles. We've talked a lot about right angles and square angles that are 90 degrees. Now we're going to use that, put that information together and talk about a rectangle. So a rectangle has 4 right angles. So all the angles are 90 degrees on a rectangle. Now the sides are not necessarily the same. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. They have to be, this side and this side have to be equal. This side and this side have to be equal in order for it to be a rectangle. Otherwise, these will not be a 90-degree angle. And the sum of all the sides is the perimeter. So the perimeter is the outside edge of something. Anytime we're measuring perimeter, we're measuring all the lines going around that object. You could think of a fence. You're putting a fence around your yard. You just want to know how much fence you need that holds it in. Or if you're painting the walls in your house, it would just be the walls of the house that you are painting, not all the inside. So the inside is the area. So if we're talking about a swimming pool, something that's full of water, then we would want to know the area, not just the perimeter. You don't want to just know the perimeter of a swimming pool, because then it wouldn't be full of water. So area is like a swimming pool full, and perimeter is like the fence going around it. So we're going to talk about perimeter. And the area of a rectangle equals the height times the width. So if you measure this and you measure this and you multiply it, you will get the inside, how much goes on the inside. Use the above information to answer the following problems. And if you need a calculator to do this, I'm okay with that because this is learning about area and perimeter. If you can do it in your head, that's even better. But if you need a calculator, go ahead and grab one. So number 1, and you can pause the video if you need to look at the questions first because I'm going to go through the answers with you. Number 1 says, what is the height and width of each side? So we know this is 3 and we know this is 9. What would this be and what would this be? That is a very easy one because if this is 3, obviously this is 3. If this is 9, then for it to be a rectangle, this has to be a 9. So that one is very easy. You can do that very easily. Number 2, what is the perimeter? So we have 8 and 4. Now remember, perimeter is all the way around. So if you just add the 8 and the 4, you're only going to get these 2 sides. So we have to do 8 plus 8. You know how much that is? 8 plus 8 is 16. And then we're going to add this 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we have to add another 4 over here. What's 20 plus 4? Well, it would be 24. So the perimeter of this one around the edges is 24. Now we're going to find down here the area. So what did it say about finding the area? You're going to multiply 5 times 9. So you can count by 5. 9 times 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And that will be your area. And then the last one says, what is the area of this one? So we're multiplying 6 times 10. And that one you could do very easily. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this one is 60. So it's just a little introduction to perimeter and area. An easy math page to start your day.